Claude Code just did something I didn't see coming. You know how your coding session lives inside a terminal and you never really know what happened? Well, that's gone now. Claude Code Artifacts, been around in the Teams Plan and Enterprise for a while, just came out to Pro and Max subscribers. It means you can make a clickable web page with one private link on Claude.ai. It's got your repo, your tools, whatever you want. No backend, no plumbing, no deploying, nothing to wire up. It's all done for you. It's really cool. You ask Claude, it ships a page. Make an artifact, that's the question, and you can visualize anything. So here I am in my Claude account with some artifacts. You'll see the Claude board here, Claude tools, and this is all filtered by code, as you'll see up here, right inside my Claude Code session under artifacts. So how exactly does it work? Here I am inside a repo I've been working on recently, and I can say make an artifact to explain what everything does. And we'll let that run. It will run for a little while and it will pop out with something. There we go. It's exploring the project to understand what everything does and then building an explainer artifact. It knows when you say the word artifact what it's got to do. It even calls the skill to do it. It's really cool. See, look, here's the proof. The artifact design skill has been loaded. It's working on it as I speak to you. When it finishes, it will pop open here in the browser and you'll see, yes, I'm using a Sony camera through OBS Studio to stream to different destinations. It explains everything nicely with a beautiful layout. This is literally turning code into a web page. It's really awesome. And you'll see here how exactly it creates that is by designing a plan, the colors it's going to use, the type, the layout, everything is built from start to finish using Claude Code Artifacts. And it doesn't have to stop there. I use my AI coding orchestration system Tank to actually create a Claude Code artifact. There it is. It's got the URL on how many times I've mentioned different tools in the last 3 months. Yes, I can click the link. It takes me to a web page that loads, and look at this. Which AI tools Creator Magic talked about the most? Nicely ranked with a beautiful interactive chart here with mentions and everything else I could ever possibly want. I can turn from videos to mentions like that. I can filter things. This is awesome stuff. Earlier on, I played around with it and tried to turn last week's recorded video into an artifact. It did it seamlessly. It found my Claude tag video. It tells me how many views I have, tells me the pitch and everything, even chapters, in a beautiful graphical form there. That is the idea behind Claude Artifacts. And if you're on a Claude Teams Plan or Enterprise, you can actually share these with anyone you're working with as well, so their Claude code can pick up right from where you left off. And that brings me to a really useful use case for Claude Code Artifacts. Yes, you can use them as shown here to explain exactly what a repo is doing. That is pretty handy, but what is even more handier is actually creating a Kanban board. Look at this. This is exactly what's going on, the backlog in the repo I'm working on, what's spec'd, what is in progress, what is blocked, and what is shipped here. Now, I asked Claude Code to make this artifact, and it's a real living web page. It's not just something pretty that's living here. I can actually take install Gaia dependencies or maybe something else like what about Open VLAN 20 on the firewall? I can bring that to in progress and then go back to my AI coding agent and say work on whatever is in progress inside the Kanban board. And then just give the link to the Claude Code artifact and the rest is done automatically. Can even have my Claude Code agents move things around and update things on the Kanban board. This is like wired right into your coding process. But here's an artifact I've been waiting till last to show you because it's so cool. I told Claude Code to go and analyze my YouTube thumbnail click-through rate and build me an artifact. It made me this. This is amazing. It pulled all 239 videos from my YouTube channel, my median click-through rate, my best ever click-through rate, impressions and views, and gives me a beautiful graph. And not only this, I can hover over different dots and bring up each thumbnail and see where they appear on the graph, including any outliers over here, and a nice ranked chart down here. But that's not all, because this artifact is fully interactive. I can say, hang on, I want to look at thumbnails that got good click-through rates and had over 10,000 impressions. One click, done. There is my top 5 ever thumbnails presented to me with beautiful impressions, views, and average time viewed information. And all of that is pulled from my YouTube Studio Analytics. It's incredible. Finally though, here's the artifact I'm most proud of. I had Claude Code run a bunch of image generations to split test how AI image models created thumbnails. Sorry to say, ideogram, I've got no idea what you're up to there with that face. And also, Gemini 3.1 flashlight, what are you doing? Putting text over a face. Well, that's the whole idea of an artifact for a real-world problem. Which is the best AI image generator to make my YouTube thumbnails? Something that I'm struggling with right now to build a pipeline that works really well. So I built this artifact. It generated hundreds of different thumbnail variations using different AI models, everything from Seedream version 4.5 to Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite, Flash Pro, and Flux 2, which, by the way, I can even filter everything so I can choose a different model, like, for instance, Flux 2 Pro Edit, and I'm a little bit worried that actually it makes me look quite evil in a lot of these photos. Either that, or I look a little bit like a Viking. One way or another, I'm not too sure. I'm going to be using Flux 2 Pro very soon. So there you go, that's Claude Code Artifacts, rolled out now to all paid users with an Anthropic account. If you're in Claude Code and you want to make sense of something visually, just say create an artifact out of this. Oh, and just an aside, I hope you're enjoying this week's video. I've actually had it fully edited by Claude Fable 5. This is all edited by prompts. So if you noticed anything glitchy in the video, let me know in the comments down below. And as a little experiment, because I'm live streaming a lot on this channel now, I've actually asked Fable 5 to cut a few of the highlights from this week's live streams and present them to you now. So if you're curious what I did in the live streams, but you haven't got time to watch 2-hour-long recaps, watch the next few minutes to get a flavor of what I do in live streams. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and we've got it, and it's cool. Okay, it's cool. It doesn't control very well, or maybe it does. All right, this is weird. This is so janky, but it's kind of there. Okay, I can't turn left or right. I don't think so. But hang on, let's make this full screen so you guys can see this. This is what Ornith, my local model, makes. Okay, it's going to use X URL, main post ID, going out. Is it going out? Oh my goodness, guys. This is so exciting if this works. If this works, I'm going to post the link to the thread. There it is. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's tagged Network Chuck. Look at that. It's tagged Mr. Network Chuck. I love his coffee boost. Shall we find out what that sounds like?
Right then, Visual Radio Land. It is the top of the hour, and that means it's time for nothing but the biggest hits.
It's literally cloned me from radio. That's insane. Oh, it hasn't done that much yet. Oh, it's done. Look at that. What perfect timing is that? Okay, guys, we're going to play Fortnite. To hide behind, this is cool. This is insane. Come on, yeah, you're dead. You're dead. I'm going to be first place. Are we shooting at me? Yes, dead. Come on. So there you go, some of the highlights in brief from my live streams this week. Hope you enjoyed that. If you think that's cool, let me know in the comments down below and maybe we'll make this a regular thing. And perhaps Claude Fable 5 is now my loyal video editing employee inside Creator Magic HQ. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks as always for watching, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen now. You should watch next. Thanks.